A look inside the best celebrity beach houses and waterfront mansions. Hey guys, today we're going to take a look inside the best celebrity beach houses and waterfront mansions. Let's get right into it. Leonardo DiCaprio. Leonardo DiCaprio has owned 3 different oceanfront properties in Malibu since his career took off in the 1990s. DiCaprio has certainly found his way around Los Angeles real estate, from his Malibu Colony beach house in the coveted Malibu Colony community to a smaller yet incredibly stunning Carbon Beach home that he put on the market in September of 2021. According to Architectural Digest, DiCaprio has even made a name for himself in Los Feliz after purchasing Robert Pattinson's 4-bedroom home for $7.1 million. Demonstrating that this A-list actor truly enjoys living in Los Angeles. However, after saying goodbye to his 2 former Malibu homes, DiCaprio moved on to bigger and better things, purchasing a $13.8 million retreat with ocean views and maximum privacy, though no photos have been released because the transaction was done privately. In addition, according to Variety, DiCaprio still owns a $23 million Paradise Cove property that he purchased in another off-market transaction, though it does not appear that much construction has begun on it. Regardless, DiCaprio is living the beach house dream with these 2 stunning pieces of prime Malibu real estate. Celine Dion. Celine Dion enjoyed her Bahamian-inspired playground for many years before selling her Jupiter Island estate for $38.5 million in 2017, according to the Daily Mail. This 11,000 square foot home included a full-fledged water park as well as 5 different pavilions, with 13 bedrooms and 14 full bathrooms. It is clear that this house is much grander and more extraordinary than your average quaint Florida beach house. Despite those incredible amenities, perhaps the best feature of this estate is its more than 400 feet of Atlantic Ocean frontage, which allowed Dion to enjoy the beach in privacy and comfort. Other amazing features of this property include 3 separate pools with various seating areas and fire pits surrounding them. With its swimming pools and picturesque palm trees, this island paradise truly functions as a tropical oasis, and it's a wonder Dion ever left. Cindy Crawford. Despite having lived in their Malibu beach house for 15 years, Cindy Crawford and husband, Randy Gerber, decided to sell it in 2020. However, due to issues with the buyer, the couple decided to keep the home, and instead of losing a property, they added another piece of real estate to their portfolio. According to Architectural Digest, the 2 quietly purchased an equally amazing waterfront home in Miami just before the start of 2021. Crawford and Gerber have blended right in with their A-list neighbors, including Karlie Kloss and billionaire Barry Sternlicht. The Miami house is approximately 3,800 square feet in size and has a mid-century modern aesthetic that has become very popular in Miami. The 5-bedroom home has over 100 feet of unobstructed bay views, giving their Malibu home a run for its money. With warm ceramic tiles and exposed brick on the interior, this contemporary home avoids the coldness that can accompany modern design. Even if the celebrity couple decides to sell their beloved Malibu home, the new Miami beach house will undoubtedly help to fill the void in their hearts. Julia Roberts. Julia Roberts' former Hawaiian beach house, located on the most breathtaking piece of land in Hanalei Bay, is something out of a fantasy. This 3,700 square foot home is the ultimate Hawaiian vacation home, with 7 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. According to Hawaii Life, the house was originally purchased in 1915 by Hans Peter Fay, a prominent Kauai sugar plantation manager. Roberts, on the other hand, purchased the property in 2011 after the family made the difficult decision to sell the house and surrounding property. Though the house isn't particularly large, the land it sits on is approximately 2 acres of untouched, pristine oceanfront greenery. Roberts sold the unique Kauai beach house for $16.2 million in 2016 after deciding to refocus her attention and finances on her Malibu home. Because the house has both sea and mountain views, it was difficult to let go of this magnificent property. However, Roberts paid $13 million for the house in 2011, so she at least made a decent profit on this piece of Hawaiian paradise. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift paid cash for her $17 million Watch Hill, Rhode Island beach house, according to TMZ. Swift appears to prefer this 11,000 square foot home's East Coast charm to the typical A-list California lifestyle. However, given that the house is said to be the most expensive in Rhode Island, lavishness and luxury are unavoidable. With over 700 feet of beachfront, this incredible property is more of a beach retreat than a beach house. The house was constructed in 1930. But despite the passage of time, it has been kept in pristine condition thanks to regular maintenance and upgrades. The Rhode Island mansion that belongs to Taylor Swift is notable for a number of reasons, one of which is its location atop Watch Hill's highest point. From this vantage point, residents can take in unparalleled panoramas that are unavailable in any other part of the state. According to Insider, Taylor Swift is the type of person who is known to host some of the most spectacular parties at this location, including a 4th of July celebration in 2016 that allegedly got pretty wild. The outdoor terrace is without a doubt the most singular spot on the one-of-a-kind property to sit and unwind while taking in the breathtaking views of the surroundings. That's all for today, and we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.